Samsung is getting ready to release its new phones, the Galaxy S24 series, and people are really excited. There are three types: the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and the fancy S24 Ultra. The regular S24 might cost a bit less, while the Ultra is going all out on luxury. The S24 starts at €899 for 128GB and €959 for 256GB. The S24 Plus is around €1,149 for 256GB and €1,269 for 512GB, which is a bit cheaper than last year's S23. But hold on to your hats, because the S24 Ultra could be even more expensive, starting at €1,449 for 256GB and going up to a whopping €1,809 for 1TB. In terms of how they look, don't expect big changes. They have cool colors like amber yellow and cobalt violet. The S24 might have a 6.2-inch OLED screen, a 50 megapixels main camera, and a 4000 mAh battery. The big news is that it's coming out near Apple's HQ with Samsung's own AI tech, which combines cloud and on-device AI. What do you think of all these updates? Let us know, and stay tuned for more information.